Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with what you're manifesting at the moment. And the Five of Wands came through, and it's all about the fight in the head, the bitching in the mind. You've got to stop it, right? So you know what you want to manifest, but in your mind you might be having all the reasons why it can't manifest, or it's not going to happen for you, and why would it happen for you? And there's a lot of fighting going on in the mind, a lot of back and forth. How's it going to happen? When's it going to happen? It's not going to happen, all of that kind of thing. The fight in the mind, right? Now, the key to manifesting is being able to focus on what you want and keep your focus there and not giving in to the doubts of the mind. So this card is indicating what you need to focus on is a calm mind. You need to let go of the fighting in the mind and really start to focus on what it is that you want and keep your focus there and stop the fighting in the mind. Let me know in the comments, has this resonated? Are you fighting in the mind? If you like the reading, make sure you like it so I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I do upcoming readings and videos. And remember, it's time to stay focused on what you want and stop fighting in the mind and listening to every reason why you can't have what you want, because they're not even true. That's just doubts and fears, and it's like a little kid that's afraid and it's not going to get what it wants. And you are going to get what you want. Alrighty, see ya.